Going to present a restaurant demo. So this is the desktop application. After login, if you have multiple branches, so you have to select a desired location. Okay, if you have only one, so this dialog box will not appear for you. Now it is synchronizing all the data from the live web panel to the locally in your desktop or in the MacBook or the Windows PC, because if the internet is gone, so the data will be still there in the system and you can keep creating the order. Okay, after login, this is the admin dashboard screen where you can see the quick overview about the sales, about the orders. Okay, and here we have an expense screen from where you can add expenses, and configurations from where you can configure printers. This one printer is like for the receipt printer, this is the kitchen printer, and this is the bar printer. So what is the difference between kitchen printer and bar printer? For example, some of the items are going to prepare in the kitchen and some of the items are going to prepare in the bar. So while you are adding the product, you can simply select which category it is. So when you are going to print a cart, so it will automatically send to the kitchen or the bar, which is the category. It depends on the category, so you don't have to worry about this thing. And I'm going to the POS screen. So this is the POS screen from where the first look started. So here we have a three types service types. So dine-in, takeaway, and delivery. And here we can go back to the dashboard again, and here we can see all the orders. Okay, so for example, if I press the dine-in, so here I can see the floor map, table floor map. Okay, so purple table means that this one is occupied but order is not started. Okay, the red means the order is started and served on this table. Okay, also you can adjust the layout of this floor map according to your need, like how your restaurant seating is working, so you can adjust it accordingly and move it accordingly, so that how it is going to be work. And on the other hand, you can add multiple floors, multiple areas in your restaurant to define the floor map. Okay, so for example, I'm going to start sitting here. How many people I have? Let's say 4. Okay, now the order is not started yet, but sitting is started. So that how it works. So for example, if you want to move the order to another table without like any problem, so you can simply press move to empty table and you have to select this. So that's it. So in this way you can move the order from one table to another table. Otherwise, if you don't want to move it, so you can stay here. So that's it. And now I'm going to place an order on this. So first of all, I'm going to select this. Now these are the modifiers. If you add any modifiers here, so it depends on the which modifiers you integrated with that particular product, so these are going to show you. Okay, so this one, and now this one. Okay, so for example, if I want to print code, so automatically the bar items will be going to the bar printer and kitchen item will going to the kitchen printer, so you don't have to worry about this. And print bill, it is like it is going to print the bill, actual receipt from the printer. And I'm going to place the order. So the order is placed and I can see in the running order list here. So here all the orders are showing. Okay, so table number 8, we have just placed this order right now. so we can adjust the orders, or categories wise we can view it for by moving to the sections, card section from here. So this way we can go to every section like this order we have just created. Okay, so now if user select delivery or takeaway, so it depends upon, because we are not going to select any table, so it is directly moved to the pause screen. Okay, so I'm going to place the order here. So that's the order flow, how it is working. So when order is served, so you can simply select the status is marked as served, so it will showing the status of the mark as served. For example, I'm going to select mark as served, and when I press done, so that means it is completed and it is moved to the completed tab. So open means I want to reopen the order of that particular table to add it or something, so I can do this. For example, I'm going to mark as served this one also, and if I'm going to select open again, so I can add more items to it, and then I'm going to place it again. So I go the order is placed again. So this is the how the simplest flow. Yeah, like you don't have to worry too much to again open edit that things, so you can simply go to the orders and you can open the order and edit the order, that's it. And also when you are going to pay it, for example, I'm going to open it, and if the user want to pay it, so you can press split bill, multiple pay, or bank transfer. Okay, so before that, if you select this, so it will move to the completed. If you did not select this, so it is only change the it is only paid status, change the paid status, not completed. So if I'm going to do this, so it is moved to the order screen, which is the more, which is the completed tab. So in this way you can complete the order. And on the other hand, if you want to cancel any order, you can simply open this and you can cancel. Okay, so the order is cancelled, so there the flow is very smooth, so you don't have to worry about this. If you want to open the order screen from here, you can simply open the order screen from directly on the POS screen. So these are the orders are running. So if I go back, so this is the dashboard. This is the quick demo overview about the restaurant POS.